You meet someone new, and within days, sometimes hours, something shifts inside you. They laughed at the same things you did. They understood a sentence you didn't even finish. And suddenly, without meaning to, you've already imagined what Christmases might look like with them in the room. You haven't said any of this out loud, of course. You just feel it, a warmth, a certainty, like the universe quietly clicked something into place. Most people would call this moving too fast. And for a long time, maybe you believed them. But here's what they never told you. The speed isn't the problem. The speed is a symptom, and understanding what it's actually pointing to changes everything. People who bond quickly aren't naive. They're not confused about reality. In fact, research in attachment psychology shows that rapid emotional connection is often linked to a highly active mirror neuron system, the same neural mechanism that makes you feel what others feel. Your brain doesn't just observe people, it models them. It runs simulations, it builds a version of who they are from fragments of gesture, tone, and timing, and it does this faster than most. But there's something most people miss about this process. Fast bonding isn't about idealization. It's about pattern recognition. Your nervous system is scanning for emotional safety, quickly, efficiently, urgently. Because at some point in your history, you learned that connection is valuable and time is uncertain. That urgency didn't appear out of nowhere. Developmental psychologists describe something called anxious attachment, a relational style where closeness feels essential but also fragile. People with this profile don't bond fast because they're desperate. They bond fast because their emotional intelligence is working overtime. They read cues, they pick up on resonance, they feel the possibility of connection before it has been confirmed. The problem isn't the feeling, it's the timing gap. When you're already 3 chapters ahead and the other person is still reading the cover, friction becomes inevitable. Not because your connection was wrong, but because the pace didn't match. And here's the part that actually matters. This quality, when directed wisely, is not a flaw at all. The same sensitivity that pulls you toward people quickly is what makes you a rare kind of presence in someone's life. Someone who truly sees, someone who fully arrives. You don't have to slow your heart down to fit someone else's schedule. You just have to learn to hold what you feel without making it a demand. That's not weakness. That's one of the most sophisticated emotional skills a person can develop. And you're already closer to it than you think, not because someone told you so, but because you've been practicing this your entire life, one genuine connection at a time.